Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Parker Nierenstein, and this is Vehicle Version. Smash that subscribe button, join the family, and turn the notification bell on just to the right of that so you can stay up to date to the latest and greatest automotive content. If you missed yesterday's video, guys, I finally took delivery of my E63, the car that I took delivery of in Germany. It's been 2 months since I last saw it. Finally arrived in California. I drove this all day yesterday, and it is an absolute dream come true. Definitely check that video out if you haven't seen it yet. But today is not about the E63, it's actually about the Lamborghini. That's right, I told you guys there were some more modifications coming. Well, today, a super cool one is happening. Let's go get it done. Wait, never mind, the E-Class is blocking. I have too many cars now. I'll be honest, this driveway is slightly less convenient than it first looked like it was going to be because there's only one lane to exit. You can't park here or there, otherwise you block the garage. Cold startup in the E63, let's do it. Look at the logo on the ground, that's ridiculous. Oh, I love you. I like how I just instantly put it in race mode even though all I'm doing is backing up. Look at the surround view camera. The graphics are nuts. I'm so in love with this car, guys. It's just ridiculous. If you don't see me, I took a little vacation with the E63. We had our honeymoon. Just kidding, but maybe not. Oh, that car is so gosh darn good looking. Now it's time to move the Lambo. It's a double cold start morning. Once again, anytime I go anywhere, I need gas. Now we're all set, time to roll out. A couple months ago, Peter from 1016 Industries hit me up and he goes, check this part out. This is a game changer. And he showed me a picture of this component of the Huracan that absolutely blew my mind. I was like, okay, all right, I need that. I need that no matter what. And I just got pictures of it from the shop that I'm headed to now, and oh my God, is this gonna look good. I want some more carbon fiber on the car. You guys will see what I have planning. It'll unfold in the next couple weeks, hopefully. And then the gray wheels are gonna make a lot more sense. But, oh, this looks good. I can't wait to show it to you guys. I just saw the strangest tire ad on the side of the road. It was an ad for Nitto Tires, or Nitto, who make good tires, but their ad was the #1 most liked tire on Facebook. And that's supposed to be the ad. What? How is that relevant whatsoever? Just the only thing good about your tires is that you have the most number of likes on Facebook. That is the strangest marketing strategy. Yep, I've got the most likes, so buy our tires. Just got off the phone with an awesome company that I'm gonna be partnering with in the next week or two to bring some interesting content to the channel. It's funny, having a conference call over Bluetooth in a Lamborghini with an extremely loud exhaust is an interesting experience, having to explain that to people on the phone during a meeting. The reason why it's so loud in the background is that you're in a loud Lamborghini. They were all like, damn, I wish my office was in a Lamborghini, and it's true. This kind of is my mobile office sometimes, and I feel so blessed to have that be the case. Thank you guys, thank you so much for the support. If you haven't subscribed yet, smash that subscribe button, join the family. About to pull up to GT Technic, who specializes in awesome Porsches. They're the ones that are going to be installing today's part. I'm stoked for this, let's go. Here we go. Nice AMG GT M3. Here we are. What's up, guys? How's it going? Parker?
Hi, what's up?
Good to meet both of you. This place is sick. Well, here we are at GT Technic. As you can see, they've got some cool stuff in their shop right now. And what I was supposed to do today, unfortunately, has fallen through for a somewhat unknown reason. What I was doing, as you can see over here, is getting an awesome new carbon fiber hood. This thing is full carbon fiber, but then it's painted green. Looks absolutely mean, but what we just found out is that it's actually the wrong color. Crazy enough, this has the exact same paint code as my car. At first we thought maybe somebody messed up with painting it the wrong color, typing in the wrong code, but this is Verde Mantis. So is that. However, the paint code didn't call for any pearl effect. And when you look at this car, check this out under the light, it is extremely pearly. So see all those little pearlescent flakes, and then you come over here, and it's just 100% flat green. Honestly, at this point, everyone is extremely confused. They're calling the Lambo dealership. This apparently happened before on forums where people were trying to get touch-up paint or redo their car if they got rear-ended, something like that. And the paint code doesn't call for pearl, even though every single Verde Mantis car has pearl effect in it. Trying to figure out what to do now, but a little bit disappointed because I obviously wanted that epic hood installed. There's also a full carbon fiber version of the 1016 Industries body kit here, and I think we may have something similar coming in the future. Look how cool this looks. Same style as mine, although mine is painted gloss black. This is carbon fiber. Oh, I wanted this installed today. So this is a 1016 Industries hood, the same company that made my awesome body kit. And honestly, it looks epic. I'm so bummed that it's not quite the right color, but at this point it looks like it actually was nobody's fault. It's something with the computer that didn't have pearl effect listed. We matched all the codes, everything was right, it just, I have no idea. A little glitch in the system or something was wrong on Lamborghini's end, we're not sure. But hopefully, I think what we're gonna do, they came up with a good solution, is take the gas cap off the car so I can at least take my car home. Then they'll scan it, get the correct paint code, to match the rest of the car, and then this will be all good. And then they even said GT Technic might actually come out to my house and install it there. That's some epic customer service. Trying to figure out how to take off the gas cap here. Here is the gas cap, and as you can see on the back, it has the paint code Verde Mantis, which is what that hood was painted. Hopefully they can match it better this time. To cheer me up a bit, they're gonna start up this Porsche Turbo that they just built an exhaust for, and apparently it shoots flames. Let's see how it sounds. That sounds absolutely ridiculous. The 997 Turbo, honestly, stock sounds kind of like a vacuum cleaner. That doesn't sound like a vacuum cleaner. That was sick. Headed back home from GT Technic. These guys killed it. They're being super helpful despite this kind of unfortunate situation. Let's head back. That bumper's scaring me. Get away, get away. Well, obviously that's pretty disappointing. Let me know what you guys think of the hood. I think it looks absolutely sick. It's really confusing to me how the computer got the paint code wrong. Like, it's got the right number, but it doesn't call for any pearl, yet the car is super pearly, and every Verde Mantis Huracan has a bunch of pearl effect in it. Still at a loss there. Honestly, the biggest bummer was that this place was like 2.5 hours away each direction, so solid 5-hour drive, but I'm trying to stay positive here, ladies and gentlemen. It's all about how you react to situations, and honestly, there's nothing I can do about it. Nicely spec'd Focus RS. Nothing tastes as good as thin feels. Alrighty then. Just got home now. Yesterday, when I took delivery of the E63, we took it up to this awesome mountaintop, and James, my friend, @Joker_photography, took some epic photos of it. But it reminded me, I really don't have any good photos of the S-Class. Ariana, I know I just got a new car, but I feel like she needs some love, so I'm gonna get her washed, and let's take some beauty shots of Ariana. I think it's really cool to see the design elements from the S-Class. Part of the reason why I love this car so much, the spectacular state-of-the-art interior, that interior ambient lighting, as well as the dual 12.3-inch screens trickle down into the E-Class. And that is another reason why I love the E63 so much. You can notice some serious similarities in the front dash area with the S and the E. Now I have this cord hanging down because, unfortunately, my passport has lost its stickiness ability on the windshield. Let's fire her up. One difference they did make is that there's no longer this divider in the screen. It's one giant continuous sheet of glass. Another thing is, while I have 8 different ambient light colors here, there are 64 in the E63, and you can individually control the different levels of the lights. So you can have the upper color be different than the lower color, and also I got the higher end Burmester audio system, so Yes, they share a similar piece here, but on the E-Class, I have these spinning tweeters that rotate out. That was an option that I really wanted on the S-Class, but I didn't want to wait to spec one out and get it delivered from the factory. I just bought one off the showroom floor. So there's a couple options that I didn't get on this car. I wish I had the rear seat package where I got reclining seats, heated and cooled, but overall, I still love this car so much. I really am in love with the way the S-Class looks, especially with the Sport Package front bumper, and then when I blacked out the front grille, tinted the windows, got the Borsteiner wheels, it really all came together so well. Let's clean her up. You deserve to be clean. You're such a pretty car. Also, if you don't yet have a vehicle virgin sticker, get yourself one, link in the description below. Time to clean. Got all my cleaning supplies from last time. Is now all clean. Time to grab the Canon 5D, a camera that I don't use nearly enough. I use the 5D on a slider at the beginning of reviews, but I really should take more pictures with it. So we're gonna use that for the S-Class. Well, the sun is setting super fast, so I wasn't able to make it to the location I was trying to get to, but I think this is perfect. Honestly, I wanna highlight the car, not the background. Let's get some shots of it. Oh, she's so pretty. Just got all the shots that I needed. The sun just set behind the hillside, so the lighting is perfect. This is the Canon 5D Mark III that I use. I usually use the 24 to 105 millimeter kit lens that comes with it, mostly because it's a zoom lens, it has a bunch of range. So with cars, you do need a pretty wide angle lens to capture the entire thing, especially if your space is limited. And at car shows, it's nice to have that zoom lens capability so that you're not limited to standing a certain distance away from the car. The S550 has been such a good car to me. It's a little bit sad now that the E63 is here. Am I really going to drive the S550 all that much, since they both have that similar four-door, nice interior, comfortable? Obviously the S-Class is more luxurious, the suspension is softer, but where I'm at right now, do I really need that soft suspension? Not necessarily, and having that brilliant 4-liter twin-turbo V8 in the AMG makes it quite a bit more appealing to drive on a daily basis than the S-Class. We'll see. I'll be honest, guys, I'm having a little bit of trouble deciding what to do with the S-Class. Comment in the comment section below what you think I should do. I know a lot of people are like, give it to Becca, but that's a little extreme. I don't feel like it's going to get the love it deserves sitting in my driveway with the new car, but at the same time, it's a lease, so my options are limited. With that being said, I still love Ariana, one of my favorite cars I've absolutely ever owned. Been bulletproof, reliable, haven't had a single real issue, and it's as comfortable as anything. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully my hood is repainted soon, and that can be installed because I think it is gonna look absolutely epic on the Huracan. Then maybe we'll lower it. There's some more modifications coming. It's gonna be good. If you guys aren't subscribed yet, smash that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell. I look forward to seeing you next video.